In August of 2022, we were back east. And the second night we were there, Easton was asleep and had fallen out of his bed while sleeping. He had what was called an epidural hematoma. As I was told before he was to be operated on, to give him a kiss goodbye. And after a few hours of surgery and being back in the room with East, I remember both doctors coming in. It had explained to me the two statistics that they look at. He had a 0% chance to live before and after surgery.
I felt scared too and worried about him.
It was hard seeing him for the first time with all of his IVs, and he had a big carpet burn just above his right eye. My first reaction when I found out what happened to Easton was just scared, thinking about what was going to happen to him and hoping and praying that he was going to be okay. With him not being there, it was just not the same.
Easton is... How are you doing today?
I'm good. So the first memory I have is watching the video that Mookie Betts sent me.
Hey Easton, it's Mookie Betts. I just want you to know that we are praying for you, thinking of you, and I hope to see you soon, my man.
Yeah, I just remember being like, what's going on? And I didn't understand what critical condition I was in. So I still thought I was gonna be able to play.
Before the injury, Easton was just confident in himself. He was confident in his ability to play baseball. After his injury, I feel like he's lost a little bit of his confidence in himself, but he's been working so hard.
My brother had reached out to 18 to 20 different law firms throughout the country. Within 24 hours of these law firms getting back to Derek, he immediately sat down with Nancy and I and said, I can't make a decision for you, but I have visited with this guy named Ken Fulginiti, and if this was my kid, because Nancy asked him, if this was your kid, would you go with Ken? And he said, absolutely.
We greatly appreciate the opportunities that we have to help people when they are in their worst times. And we're honored that they chose us to be the attorneys for their son. So what we did with them, though, was not just provide legal representation. What we did with them is we helped them in the process when their son was struggling in school. We made sure that we used the resources that we had, and we obtained one of the best pediatric neuropsychologists in the country to evaluate him and help him to get him an IEP, which gives him some of the tools that he's going to need to get into the best college that he can get into and to have the greatest chance that he has now that some of that was taken away from him because of the accident.
One thing that stood out to me about Ken, he was very personable, but extremely professional. They've never made us feel like clients. They've always made us feel like family.
I think Ken and his team just welcomed us with open arms, made us feel at home when we went and visited their office, was very inviting to all of us, even the kids. They genuinely were there to help and support us.
We are so involved in the lives of the individuals that we represent that when the case is over, we make sure that we still stay in touch. If you choose us, we know we're privileged to be part of that team with you, and you're gonna feel with us that you are a priority to us every day.
I would thank Ken just for all the time he's given me and my family. I'm so thankful for them and all the kindness and all the hard work and dedication they've put into helping me and my family. He's become like family to me.